So far we've made our background scroll down. Looks great. Only problem is it leaves this black void behind, because although it scrolls down, it just keeps scrolling down, and we've only drawn one background so far. So if you remember, when we learned about numbers, we can make a number, when it gets too big, reset itself back to 0. We do that through the modulus operator. So if we want this count to go up to some number, maybe the size of the image, and then reset itself back to 0, we just say modulus that number. What number is that? Well, let's look at the background, and we see that it's 512 dots high along the y values. So we could say 512 here, but it's not really 512 pixels high, because if you remember, we multiplied the height by 2. We stretched it out. So we really want to multiply this number by 2, and it'll be 1024. Now you'll see this background scroll down, and when it gets all the way at the bottom of itself, it'll reset it and go back to 0. Let's try it. It's going down. We do see this black void. Don't worry about that yet. And when it gets too far down, you're going to see it's going to pop right back up. And so we get half of the picture here. Half of the time the background is scrolling right, or correctly. Any moment now, it should come right back up. There we go.